Hey guys, let's dive into a sensitive topic but incredibly important, erectile dysfunction, or ED. If you're looking for natural ways to tackle this issue, you're in the right place. So let's jump right into the top 5 plants known to help with ED. First up, we have ginseng. This powerful herb has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is often referred to as Herbal Viagra. Studies suggest it can improve erectile function and increase energy levels. Make sure to look for standardized extracts to get the best results. Next, let's talk about maca root. Originating from Peru, maca is known to boost libido and endurance. It's packed with nutrients that can enhance sexual performance and even improve mood. You can find it in powder form, which is easy to add to your daily smoothie. Third on the list is yohimbe. This bark extract from an African tree is traditionally used to treat erectile dysfunction. It works by increasing blood flow and nerve impulses to the penis. However, it can interact with medications, so it's essential to consult your doctor before trying it out. Now let's discuss ginkgo biloba. Known for its memory-boosting properties, ginkgo also improves blood circulation, which is crucial for a strong erection. Regular supplementation can lead to significant improvements in ED symptoms. Last but not least, we have Tribulus terrestris. This plant is often used in Ayurvedic medicine to enhance sexual health. It works by increasing testosterone levels, which can significantly improve erectile function and libido. So there you have it, 5 natural remedies to help combat ED. Remember, consistency is key and always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.